great question. So you want to think about the symptoms that you might have. So do you snore? Do you wake up gasping for air? Has anybody told you that your snoring stops for brief periods of time, or that they've heard you gasping for air? Do you wake up with a headache in the morning? Do you find your moods are up and down? All of those are signs and symptoms of sleep apnea.
And this test, are you affiliated with this company at all?
I am not, but we do have that test on my website. We sell it to people so that way we can test them.
And how much does it cost?
$189.
Okay, so it's not
exorbitantly expensive, and it also is covered by insurance.